Welcome back. The protest and candlelight rallies condemning the Delhi gang rape case continues in state. NCP had organized peaceful march in capital city on Thursday. Many NCP leaders and members of Mahila wing of NCP participated in the march.
तरुणीचेर बलात्कार जो जाला आणि तेजो जो अन्याय जाल्लो आसा तेजो निषेध करपा लागून म्हणून आज देशान अनेक ठिकाणी अशा प्रकारच्या महिलांचेर जे अत्याचार जातात त्या अत्याचारापासून महिलांक संरक्षण मेळचें जर कायद्यान जर काही जर तरतूद बरी जर ना जर जाल्यार योग्य अशा प्रकारची तरतूद कायद्यान करून महिलांक जास्तीत जास्त संरक्षण दिवपाचो प्रयत्न जावचो ही एक मागणी घेऊन आमचे युवती वर्ग आणि महिला वर्ग आज ह्या मोर्चान सहभागी जाल्ले.
Meanwhile, El Shaddai Charitable Trust had organized an awareness rally in Madgaon on Thursday. This was on the backdrop of recent Delhi gang rape. Various NGOs, social workers, street children and others had participated in the rally.
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!
We want justice and safety. We want rights for the women over here. And also these are the children of the future. We request people to give support the people, support the girl child, support the women and give right to individual people who are, they have right of them. And all we are aware of that the incident which have happened right now. And we are raising voice against that.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt, with video journalist Sushant Par. Christmas crib is a major attraction to the youth in state. Each crib has something special to display. Competitions in state have motivated youth to bring out their creative ideas. Here are some of the cribs captured by Surendra Madkaikar. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. You can also meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.